In today's 2-minute tip, I'll explain why your bilingual child isn't speaking the minority language as actively as you'd like, and what to do to address this concern. If your child is relying mainly on the majority language to communicate, this generally means there are shortcomings in the two core conditions of exposure and need in the minority language. In other words, the child isn't getting enough exposure in that language and doesn't feel a need to use it more actively. You see, the basic formula for active ability in any language is exposure plus need. When the child receives ample exposure to the target language and feels a genuine need to use it, the result will be active ability. So if you want your child to speak your language more actively, you have to address the shortcomings in the two core conditions of exposure and need. You have to take action to increase the child's exposure to the target language and increase the child's need to use it. And when you do these two things, and you do them adequately, your child will speak your language more actively. I've seen this happen in many families, and it can happen in your family too. But it does take some strategic action. So what to do is very simple, very straightforward. Increase exposure and increase need. But how to do it, what sort of action to take, is a big subject and can't be covered in a quick 2-minute video. To continue this conversation with me and learn all you need to know about how to adequately address the two core conditions of exposure and need, please see the video description below. And please subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips on raising bilingual and multilingual kids.